Hi, we have various different types of 360 photos and 360 tours. This is something that you can embed into your website. We come and we take the 360 photos and then we can have it link to whatever you want. So this, if I click on this, we could have it go to another 360 photo that we've taken, or we can have it come to perhaps a video that plays right here, or we can have it go to your website. So there's a lot of different options with this. So this is something new that we're offering right now, or well, we'll be offering for a while, and you can see it here on this location. So it's a lovely location that we're working with right now, Paradise Vacation Properties. And so we've taken a number of 360 photos. So come inside. That'll take us to one of the locations inside, and then we have, let's see, we can visit the chef. So we can write whatever we want. We can go upstairs. We can have them spin all around, do the hanky-panky. No, that's not true. So let's go visit the chef and see what our options are there. So you can create the experience you want. You can basically create the experience you want versus having them just walk through. So this is a 360 photo that we've stitched together with a new software that we're using, a new technique that allows you to help the experience. People may not, you want maybe to let people know, yeah, there are 6 bedrooms here, for example. Or perhaps you want to, when they click on Games Room, maybe instead of going into the Games Room, there's a video of some people that are actually playing something in the Games Room. So there's all sorts of alternatives of what you can do with this. And then the other one that you're more familiar with would be on Google. So once we take the 360 photos for you, we're able to put them onto Google for you. And then with this, people can walk themselves, if they click on this, through your location. So it's up to you which one you want. What we're finding, sometimes the Google walkthrough is overkill, so all you really needed on Google were just the 360 photos. So you can decide. So this is the Google walkthrough that we offer, as well as the Google 360 photos. We give you the 360 photos and you can then use them on your different social media platforms as well. So it's all sorts of different techniques that we have to help you engage your target audience. And some are these 360 photos, whether they're 360 photo, 360 walkthrough, or this new technique that we've been using for our friends. And this is showing it's a 360, but it's a little bit different. I have it so that they click here to visit the lobby versus knowing to click on the little arrows to walk out. We're finding this is a little bit more user-friendly for, say, an older crowd. So this takes them to the reception area versus having to know to look for the reception area. So that's the difference. Here they know to go back to the lobby. So, and we have multiple locations they can visit while they're looking at this, and you're basically creating the experience for them. So there you go, 360 tours, 360 photos, and now this one where you're able to really market your location a little bit differently.